You did a good job. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. Sure you did. You did a good job. But I didn't make any points. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team lost the game. But you did a good job. Well, I guess I won't quit the team then. Good, because you did a good job. You're so special. Why did you buy me flowers? Because you're so special. Why did you buy me candy? Because you're so special. Why did you make me a cake? Because you're so special. Well, I have something to tell you. What? You're so special too.